It's 1 p.m. It's getting late, and I have a lot to accomplish today. Can I get it all done? Let's find out. Quickly getting a little bit of makeup on. It is gorgeous outside today. Cooper is outside enjoying the sunshine. He's got his little feet all kicked out. He is laying in the sun on the porch. He's so cute. I have quite a few things that I want to accomplish today, and I made a list so I don't forget anything. This is my list of things I would like to get done today. I need to clean off the cushions on the patio, wash and dry our laundry, take out recycle items, empty the dishwasher, share haul items, go to a new home and update, mow the yard, hang wreath, and remove leaves by the front door. I have a good couple loads of laundry that I need to get going here. I got the washer going with the first load of clothes, but I forgot. I have a little bit of towels that I need to fold in here before I can use a dryer once this cycle is done, and then I have another small load yet to do. Here in this town they have a recycling center and they pick up recyclables. We could not be happier about that, but right now we are using a trash can. This used to be in our laundry room at our previous home, and we're putting all the recyclables in here, but as you can see it kind of got away from us, so this needs to go out to the recycle bin. Our little recycle bin and the corner here looks much better. It's all empty and not overflowing anymore. I need to empty out this dishwasher. Oh, Jason helped me do this chore and Justin helped me a little bit too. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. 1 cup worth.
Is that what you took care of? Was
no,
1 cup?
1 cup. I didn't know you guys were doing dishes.
I bet you did, and you just didn't come help.
I was busy watching YouTube.
Oh.
Life's Little Things.
I highly doubt he was watching Life's Little Things.
Yeah, suck up. Let's look at his history. Let's go to his YouTube history.
My history is deleted, so.
How convenient! Huh? Saved ya. So I got the towels are folded that were in the dryer, and I need to take care of those. And I have the second load is in the washer, the first load's in the dryer. But I have to show you what we're doing about hanging up our clothes here at this house. We are using the coat closet. Because we don't use the coat closet because the weather is so nice here, and the few, I think we each have one little light jacket in our closets in our rooms, so we decided to use this to hang up the damp clothes to air dry. All right, I get to cross some things off. This always makes me so happy. So I got laundries pretty much done, recyclables done, and emptied the dishwasher. We discovered a Hobby Lobby. Well, we found one. We searched for one. I'm like, I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in forever. I have massive spring fever. All of my things are packed away. And I told Jason, I'm like, I am so sorry, but a bunny or something may just hop into my cart when I'm at Hobby Lobby. I found this bunny crossing. This is just so adorable. It was $5.49. And then this sweet little wreath. They had 2 different colors. This one was the more vibrant one, is the one I went with. The other one is neutral colors. This was $11.99, but everything was 40% off. And then this, I figured I could turn it into a wreath, or I can just string it around on my tiered trays, or however I want to work with this. It's a wired garland. It was $10.99 with 40% off from that. And then these 2 little eggs, one says bunny, one says hop. I may already own these. Oh, if I do, I'll just have 2 of each. But I figured for now they're gonna look good in this house. Not too far from Hobby Lobby was a Michael's. I haven't been to a Michael's in a very long time. And the one in our previous town, they quit carrying all of the decorative items that were always in the front of the store. I don't know why they quit carrying it, but they did. But this Michael's, oh, they had all of the good stuff. So I got 4 of these chargers. They had different kinds there at Michael's, but this one was my favorite. It's just a really nice checkered blue. They also had a white with some scalloped edges, and then a multicolored one was there too. And then we found a little Christian, it said it was a bookstore. It ended up just having a little bit of books, but it was mostly Christian gifts, but they also had t-shirts and all kinds of things throughout the store. It was really neat to look around. This is Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound. Love the color. This one is by Caruso, and then this one is Let Your Light Shine, and it's Matthew 5:16. This actually glows in the dark. And this is the front of the shirt. It says Cherished Girl. This is by a brand called Cherished Girl. If I can find it online, I'll have it linked below. I shared the haul items with you. I have really been thinking about mopping the floors, and we have an O-Cedar bucket. It's just a lot of work to fill the bucket, empty the bucket, carry the bucket around, you know how it is. Well, I started looking at steam mops online, and the house that we are going to be getting has laminate floors, tile floors, and they highly advise you not to use a steam mop on laminate floors because it will separate the layers in the laminate. So we started digging around online, me and Jason come across an O-Cedar mop that just takes water to fill it. I'll show you. It's really neat. So you just take this off, fill it full of water. If you want to, you can put a little bit of solution in there and it sprays it. It has rags that come with it that you can easily wash in the washing machine. It actually comes with 3 of the mop rags. For the mop rags, the mop heads, they have Velcro, and it just Velcros right on to the mop. Super easy to remove them to throw in the washing machine. And then this is like a little cup, and you can measure your cleaner right in there and then put it into the container that holds the water. No batteries are needed. It has a really easy to use handle to spray out the water. So this mop is $30.49, and it's only 2 pounds is all that it is for weight, which is perfect for my back. I don't have to worry about it hurting my back as I am mopping the floors. I will have this linked below. If you're interested, you can get one too. Me and Jason are headed out to the new house. We want to see what all they have done so far. It is hot out here. It's gonna melt all my makeup off.
It's 92 degrees.
Is it really?
Yeah.
92. Oh my goodness. Wow. We are at the new house, and me and Jason did a walkthrough to see what all has changed. So the first thing is they have the closet doors are on all of the closets. In the first bathroom, we spotted right away the toilet is in, and we also have mirrors. Shower curtain bar is in the shower right now. I don't remember if they had hardware in the tub previously, but that's what that looks like. I don't remember if the ceiling fan was in the study yet or not, but there's a ceiling fan in there. And then we're waiting on the doors to be put onto the study. There's no electricity still here, so just bear with me because there's gonna be some rooms that are darker. And the water, did they say that there wasn't any water, but we turned on the faucet and there was water? Oh, water is in, but no gas and no electric. Laundry room looks pretty much finished. The cabinet in the laundry room is also painted. In the other bathroom, the mirror is in this one. All the hardware is on. The blue tape is notes that the contractors are leaving for like things that aren't finished, things that need touched up. The towel bars are up. You can see the towel bar through the mirror and then the hand towel one is up, and then also the shower curtain rod is up in this bathroom. This door was put on backwards. It needs flip. So they're waiting for that to come in because they said it's the wrong door. The stove and the microwave and the dishwasher is in. That's nice to see. And my sink is all uncovered, but the stove, microwave, and dishwasher are all Whirlpool, and the stove is a gas stove, and it looks like it has a middle burner for a griddle. All of the under cabinet lighting is in Jason brought out a tape measure to measure up the walls in the master bedroom. We have a king size bed and 2 nightstands that have to go on a wall. So he measured those from home and brought the tape measure out, and we have 2 walls that we could put the bed and the nightstands on, and I need your guys' help. So we can put it on this wall right here, but the nightstand would be close to the door. That's where the end of the nightstand would be, to the door when you walk in. And then we would have all of this area empty. Or we can put it on the window wall. And then if we put the bed here, we would have all of this area would be pretty much open. Okay, so I need your help. So should we put the bed and the nightstands on the window wall, or should we put it on the interior wall? The other 2 walls we measured and it won't fit. They have the glass to the shower in. We were so excited to see this, and a very, very dirty mirror. This has a mirror in the outlet. At first when I seen this, I was like, oh, I don't know about this. I don't know if I'm crazy about it. We've actually talked about doing what we did in Amarillo and putting 2 separate mirrors in here, and then having him build the middle piece in between the mirrors, because we really loved that. And they have the toilet in the backyard. They finished the fencing back here. One of my previous videos, I was telling you how they had cut the fencing short, and we asked them to move the fencing up on both sides of the house because we want our bedroom windows inside of the privacy fence. So just recently we found out that the area between our house and the neighbor's house is a common ground, so people can walk through here, and that's why we want our fence moved up past all of these windows so that we have privacy in our living room and our dining room. At first when we found out, that was just like, I don't know, we really had to think about it. We talked with our realtor, talked with the salespeople here, and they said they really just don't think it's going to be that busy between the houses. I do love that because of the common grounds, we sat a little ways away from the neighbors on the one side, and I also love that we don't have neighbors sitting behind us. So we had to take all of these things into factor, and then Jason said, you know what, if they put that fence up on both sides of the house and kind of block in our windows and give us privacy inside of our home and our yard, that we'll go ahead and move forward with it. So we were happy that they agreed to everything. We didn't even know that there was such a thing out here between houses, but we did notice now that we saw this one, that other houses in another part of the district have those common grounds as well, but none of them look like they're really used much. So we're just hoping. But anyway, we're moving forward with the house. The fencing's gonna get fixed, and it's an exciting time, exciting year. Who am I kidding? We have had a large amount of pollen flying through the air out here, and I have pollen all over my patio furniture. This one's really bad, but I need to get these cushions cleaned off. Leaves are gathering up right here. Yeah, this needs our attention. I thought we were gonna have to use the shop vac to vacuum off the chair cushions, but honestly, the leaf blower worked perfectly. Those tables need a good wipe down, but I'm gonna just take a paper towel, wipe them down with a damp rag. It's just dust and normal stuff that blows around in the air. Clean off the cushions on the patio. Done. Whoops, my pen didn't work there. Jason said that the lawnmower and the weed whip too, right? And the blower all started up like immediately. We have this shed that came with the rental, and the lawnmower, the weed whip, and the leaf blower all fits perfectly in this shed.
As my bagger gets full, instead of having to find somewhere to dump it, I just dump it right in here. This is a
compost. Oh yes. Oh, that's gonna make it so convenient. Jason's starting out by weed whipping. He is running through the upper part first, and then coming down, running around the fence line, and just getting rid of all those tall weeds. Justin took over mowing, so while Jason is weed whipping, Justin's mowing, and then that way it gets done a lot quicker. Mowing the yard is done. We have a couple of branches that are growing up onto the front porch. We need to cut these back. And there is quite a bit of leaves that's gathering up here at the door. We gotta clean that up too. One thing that's really funny is we have a massive outbreak of mosquito eaters. They're everywhere on the side of the fence. There was, what'd you say, like there was hundreds of them, right? All over the side of the fence. But I told Jason and the boys that I would rather have those any day over like the scorpions and things that we had in Amarillo. I mean, hands down, I will definitely put up with them. But the mosquito eaters come flying right into the house. We're always trying to catch them, putting them back outside. They're so derpy, aren't they? They're like a derpy bug. It's weird how just like one branch grows longer than the other ones. The leaves are all removed by the front door. Oh, I love it. That looks so much better. Removing the leaves by the door. I started out by wiping down the door a little bit because I want my command hook to stick to it. So we have a little peek hole. Wanted it about right there so that we can use the peek hole. There's where I place my command hook. Oh, that's so pretty. Just a little touch of spring. Go to new home. That was fun. Hang wreath. Everything is accomplished. I'm exhausted and it is time for me to make dinner. As you can clearly see, Cooper is sitting there waiting for me to start dinner. Needing more motivation? Here are 2 more videos for you. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.